5 types of knot tying with time. Ayos. So point system kita. Once ma-consume to time, kung sino ang tama, automatic 1 square na siya. Dapat tapusan. Pag hindi natapos to time, both kayo, balik naman. Okay, next. So, ang starting position tayo is always like this. Okay, starting position, kami lang ang ball. Starting position. Then perform. So ano bang ipi-perform nyo? Kami ng bala. Ayos? Clear? Clear? Oh, viewers! Oh, extra pressure na. Extra pressure na kanda.
Under ice! Under ice!
Nasa kanan mo yan!
Okay?
Hoy, baka ayaw ko sa... Hoy lang sir.
Baby girl na lang, baby girl.
Ito ka tinapa to, para sure po yun yung kapitihan yun. Ayaw, ikaw siya. Ayaw mo, baka tinapa. Presence of mind ha.
Last, sir.
Ay, hindi. Parehas, pre. Parehas, unanan na. Apa na yung unanan na.
Wala mo nang hawak ng rope hanggang hindi sinasabi ito starting position. Yes.
Tapos mag-perform, mati mo sa likod.
Mamantay mo sa likod for the next
Next naman. So wala nang pressure sa next. Tapusin to the time and mag-check kami lang kung sila tama.
So i-check ko lang.
Check pa na po. Okay, ayos na?
Okay, so everybody step backward. First player ng Gudencio and Linagua National High School forward.
May ice cream ka galing ko na.
Sabihan ko galing sa masunod.
Go, Benji! Okay, proper handling.
Ano galing ako sa Ginger at
Within 30 seconds, perform double fisherman's knot. Within 30 seconds, perform double fisherman's knot. Position. Proper handling. Ready. Start. Last 25 seconds. Woo! Last 20. Last 15. Last 10.
Buwang helmet! Partida, naka-helmet pa!
Rope down. First points. Dinabuan na siya. Within 30 seconds. Within 30 seconds, perform bow line with lock. Okay? Within 30 seconds, perform bow line with lock. Ready? Start! Last 25. Last 20. Last 10.
Nice party, love you!
Bye-bye.
Guys! Labas doon! Naon mga idol!